You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? Alright guys, what is the formula for multiplying on Google Sheets? That is what we're going to figure out today. So I have this brought up here, and as you can see it says names, orders, notes, and all that fun stuff. So here we go. Jasmine did 12 orders. How many cookies are in an order? I put a side note over here. There's 12 cookies in an order. So we're going to put a 12 over here. And then you can just keep going down the row with 12, like so. Or right here, see this blue little circle? You're going to left click, hold it, drag it as far as you want it, and then let go. And it will fill for you. Here we go with the formula. It's going to be equals B for the column, 2 for the row, your asterisk or your star, and then you're going to go C for the column and 2 for the row. So keep our fingers crossed. 12 times 12 is 144. Let's see what we get. Let's click over here. Boom! 144. Alright, so we're going to drag this all the way down. Go to the blue little circle. Left click. Hold it. Now let go. There it is. Now, at a previous video, we did the total. And I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So we're going to highlight all this. And then you go to the 3 little dots, click on that. And it's a crooked looking M. That's the function button. And you're just going to hit sum. And click off of it, and there's your total. So what we have is a total orders of 79 orders, and you have to make 948 cookies. I suggest you start baking. That's a lot of cookies. Alright, well, if you like the video, hit the subscribe and the like video button. Don't forget, we will be here next Saturday putting up more videos. Thanks, guys.